Hi, today we're making easy chicken enchiladas in our Dutch oven, so stay tuned. Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I've got a fun, easy recipe that comes together in a snap. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our channel is about all things camping. You know, whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So today I'm going to whip up easy chicken enchiladas in the Dutch oven. And if you know anything about the recipes that I put out, they're all very simple. So let's get going. Okay, so what you'll need are some green chilies, some red enchilada sauce, green enchilada sauce, some cheese of any kind. I'm going to use just cheddar. Pepper jack would also be really good with this. Some rotisserie chicken that's already cooked, which is a bonus. I've got some onions, some taco seasoning, and some tortillas. Now, I'm going to be adding some olives and some black beans. Feel free to add whatever your family likes or to leave out whatever your family doesn't like. Okay, so today we're going to be using a Dutch oven liner. I am a huge fan of Dutch oven liners because cleanup is a snap. So let's get started. You're going to take 2 cups of rotisserie chicken. And once again, the thing I like about using this is all we really need to do is heat up the enchiladas because everything is already cooked. We're gonna add a can of green chilies, a can of green enchilada sauce, gonna add in some black beans, some olives. I've got a half of an onion here. And we've got 2 cups of cheese. We're gonna take the first cup and mix it in, and then we're gonna save the other cup to sprinkle over the top after it's cooked. I'm gonna mix that up really good. Ooh, it looks yummy. And now I'm just going to sprinkle, this is optional, but I like the flavor that the taco seasoning gives it. Just add in a little bit of taco seasoning. Okay, so look how delicious that looks. Now we're going to take our burrito-sized tortillas and just roll them up, and we'll get it layered into our Dutch oven liner. Okay, so we're gonna take our Dutch oven liner and just get it sprayed really good. And then I'm gonna take a can of the red enchilada sauce and we're just gonna put that down on the bottom. Now, I was going to use the burrito-sized tortillas, but they were actually too long for this Dutch oven. So we've switched to the soft taco size. And let's get started. I'll set the Dutch oven liner right there. We're just gonna take our tortilla, bring our mixture over, and just line that right down the middle. Okay, let's roll up our enchilada. And then pop it in the liner. And you'll just go through. This will fit 8 very, very nicely. Okay, so we've got our enchiladas in. We're gonna pour the second can of red enchilada sauce on top. Now, all we need to do is warm this up. And so we're going to be putting it over the coals with 24 coals. We want to just warm it up at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. So we're gonna put 8 coals on the bottom and 16 coals on the top. So how's that for easy? It looks yummy too, and it tastes even better. You know, that's what I love, is I love sharing recipes that are super, super easy that you can make when you're up camping. Hey, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.